Howdy folks, I'm Aaron, welcome to Lowe's Joinery. Today's video I'm going to be making a Prosecco wall, a donut wall and a shop wall. It's coming up. Okay then folks, so hope everyone's okay, safe and well, which is good, main thing. I've been asked to make, as I said in the intro, a Prosecco wall, a donut wall and a shop wall. If you don't know what they are, you will by the end of the video. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that. It ain't going to be very exciting, just a lot of cutting, drilling and spraying, but thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So sit back, enjoy, and I'll catch you at the end. See you later. Okay, so I'm going to do the donut wall first because it's the easiest. It's just dowels that are coming through, all sprayed white. I don't have any donuts to reference from because I've ate them all.
Donuts.
So I'm going to use these wax tins just to give me a reference. Just eye these up and then I'll straighten the lines off. What I'm doing is just marking the centre, or what looks like the centre of the tins and along there, and then I'll cross the lines, and then the centre of the line is where the dowel needs to go basically. Okay then folks, so what I've done is I've just got an offcut of oak which has got a perfect 90-degree cut on this in both ways, and I've put this in the pillar drill, and I've just drilled with a 12mm bit which corresponds to the 12mm dowel which I've got. I've drilled a hole straight through there which is at a perfect 90-degree angle. I'm just going to line this up just by eye over the cross. And then I'm just going to plough down with the drill. This is going to keep it at a perfect angle, and it's going to drill me nice and straight, and I just do all 12 of these. One down, two to go. Okay then folks, so what I've set up here, just a quick dirty little jig. Obviously we're in the pillar drill, or the drill press. I've screwed a sacrificial piece of MDF onto the base, because I don't want the force and a bit going through hitting the metal. That'll bugger that up and they're expensive. Positioned a fence or a backstop, whatever you want to call them, in the correct distance. I want the hole drilled from the edge of the piece, so I need to reference off the front. So yeah, I've just screwed that in. That's screwed onto there, drills clamped down, marked out pencil lines to indicate where the centre of each hole is going. Bring the work up to the fence, push that nice and tight, offer the drill bit down, and just sight up the point of the Forstner bit to the line. And when that's all set up, plough along. I'll do every single one. There's 18 holes to do on 3 pieces, and I'll just plough through, and this will give me a consistent hole, straight and true on every single one. So yeah, that's the idea anyway. You know what I've just thought? I don't know why I didn't do it before actually. I keep trying to eye up the point of the Forstner bit with the centre line. There, that's where it wants to be. Because this is the same thickness, that way I just bring the line to there, plough down, to there, plough down, same spot every time. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. Oh, okay, that shop wall is done. I've just put a base on it, nothing simple, nothing too fancy, just a piece of wood on the bottom just to stop it tipping over when it's on the table. So I'm going to add those to the rest of them, and then we can do the fun part, get some spraying on the go. Woo! Right then folks, so I have just finished sanding marathon of those bits which we've just primed. An absolute horrible job getting in between them holes, but yeah, I've done it all by hand pretty much, so yeah, it's a bit of a bugger. Just finished denibbing that one. That's the donut wall. I didn't bother showing it because it's sanding, and sanding will bore you to tears if my video already hasn't bored you to tears. So what I'm going to do now is probably just put the video on, bit of music, just a few clips of the old spraying, and then we've got a little cherry on top to put on them, which should look pretty nice and sort of make the pieces then. So yeah, I will catch you at the end folks, so stay with me. Okay then folks, so there you go, trio done. Nice and simple, nice easy project. And yeah, not really much else I can say. These are being picked up tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get some pictures when they're in use, but I doubt it. I never do really. I always ask. But yeah, I never get them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do consider subscribing to the channel. We are growing really fast and your support is greatly appreciated. And thank you to all of my long-terming subscribers. You do bear with me on the content front, and I do really appreciate that. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this one up, keep it nice and short and sweet. Thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a like, a comment if you felt worthy. Stay safe in the workshop, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you very much. Love you.